Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the more advanced settings at the left corner here, and as you can see, here we are in the camera settings, and to get access to the location info we have to slide down to the useful features here, and as you can see here we have the location tags, and by using this button we can easily turn it off and on like that. And the important thing here is that to make it work we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and with the location of this device. So now I'm going to take a picture to show you how it works, and we go to the preview here, and now we go to the info, like here, to the details of the picture. And as you can see here we have the location tags, so greetings from Krakow, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.